Hello dear students and welcome to another video of Total English. Students, in the previous video we did the poem The Elephant Ride, and in this video we are going to do the question answers. So if you have not understood the poem, you can see the previous video. I have given the link in the description, or you can also touch the I button. And for your convenience, I will give you the summary in this part as well. So let's start. So students, before starting the explanation of question answers, let's have a quick summary of the poem. In this poem, the poet John Mason has given a very beautiful description of the elephant ride. That how do the kids and people feel when they go to a elephant ride. But on the other hand, there is a contrasting picture. It means the opposite thing is happening. With whom? With the elephant. Actually, the people are enjoying, the kids are having fun, but the elephant who is standing on the road which is very hot and hard, and the elephant has to do the same work again and again. So all the people are happy, but the elephant is not happy with this work. But nobody thinks of the animal because nobody cares. So the poem ends with a very beautiful message that we should care for the animals as well. We should think that how do they feel when they work. So this is a very beautiful message. So now let's do the question answers. So the first question is, pick out the words used in the poem to describe lawns, trees, huts and the breeze. As you can see in the first stanza of the poem, first of all take out the first stanza and see there is a beautiful description of the lawns, trees, huts and the breeze. So you have to just point out those words which are used by the poet for describing these things, like grassy lawns, shady trees, red tiled huts and scented breeze. Now see question number 2. Why do you think the elephant was bewildered? Before that, you need to know the meaning of the word bewildered. Bewildered means totally confused. So why was he confused? It was because he had to go to ride with people, but he didn't like his work. He didn't like his job. That's why he was confused. So next question is question 3. Do you think the elephant was enjoying itself? Pick out the words from the poem. So the answer will be no, the elephant was not enjoying. And then you have to write some words. So let's see some words from the poem. Words like sad eyes, hurting feet, rocked slowly, stood dripping. Okay, so you can use these words to show that he was not happy. Let's move to the second last question, that is question number 4. Do these children think of the elephant when they take a ride? So this is a very important question because on this the whole poem is based on. So the answer will be no. Children do not think of the elephant when they take a ride. They are busy in their own enjoyment, their self-enjoyment, but they do not think of the elephant, that whether the elephant is enjoying the ride or not. Now let's see the last question. Pick out the 5 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. So we have to just find that what are the rhyming words used. So rhyming words actually sounds similar, their way of pronunciation is same. So let's have a look. In the first and second stanza of the poem, words are like tea, see, cried, ride. All these are sounding similar. See the other 2 stanzas. Words like feet, heat, fun, sun, in, din, out, shout. So see properly the last words of each and every line. They are in groups. Okay. In the last 2 stanzas, words like on, road, board. Road and board are sounding similar. Like way and say are sounding similar. See and me are sounding similar. So these are the rhyming words. I hope it is clear to you now. Dear students, that's all from this video. We'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Don't forget to like our channel, subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends. Thank you so much.